Hey guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody is doing well today in the lock sport community. I have a package here today from a good friend, new community member who's getting well acclimatized to the game, from Ireland, the Irish lock picker himself, funny guy, formerly known as Peter Lewis. So he was nice enough to want to send some stuff over, and sorry for the delay, Peter. I was away a couple of days, actually 3 days, for my daughter's hockey tournament, so I have cut this open, but I have not looked inside. So that's the Irish lock picker. He started his channel as Peter Lewis. He still remains Peter Lewis, but that's the new moniker. He's having some fun piling up the locks, starting to do picking videos. What else can you ask for? So get over there, give him some support, and let's have a look at what's inside here. Okay, nice hefty little box I might want to keep. Should bring me up to about 700 boxes. Okay. Let me just, oh yeah. Okay, let me just put this away, guys. He talked about sending me a rare. Gonna have to remind me, it's a 6.0, one of those TSSA locks. Yeah, TSSA 006. And this was featured on another channel. I believe it was Lock Noob. So it is, I don't know, I'm assuming 5, 5, and 5 as far as. Let me just have a look at this. Just want to see if it's 5 and 5 or if it's, no, the key is, it's identical. So it's a 5, I guess in dimple format. So beautiful. Thank you very much for sending that, Peter. What do we got here? Oh, we've got a Yale in the box. This is, let me see what we have here. 2811 637 001. Probably a 34 millimeter. Maybe, yeah, 34 millimeter with a 6 millimeter shackle. Yep. Give you guys a little view of that. Nice little Yale. And there's the most important part right there, if you guys can see it. Maybe not. Gotta love this focus. Not made in China, not made in US, made in England. So I think this is my first from England. I have to check. I'm not doing that today. So thank you very much, Peter. Let's put this aside here. Okay, what do we have? What do we have here? Okay, that's gonna go pull that out of there. I am, as promised, prepping something for you, Peter. So hang tight. And Is this a union? Is this a union? Oh shit. It's a union made in England. All brass. Take a look at that. I can tell you right now, this puppy will be picked one time. I'll attempt it anyway with this goddamn key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's a 40-minute video. Made in England. Whew. That's just a beaut. Brass shackle. What do we got here? We've got a couple more here. Just want to be careful what I'm cutting into here. Oh man, what do we got here? This is, that's a TL. Not familiar with it. Okay. Just let me double check here because there are so many keys on this thing. Alright, strike 2. Okay, so we've got key there that works. I'm just trying to keep these keys in hand. Okay, so those two seem to work there. I'm wondering if these ones work the other side. And okay, they do not. Let me just go over the other side. No, that's interesting. Let me see. Okay, yeah, so we've got some different keys here, but I do have 2 working keys. So I'll show you that. Looks to be brand new. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pinner. So we'll get to that at some point. Thank you, Peter. Alright, what else we got here? I see brass. I see brass here. Brass and bulletproof wrapping. And a dull knife. So that's a great combination. Okay, I've seen these before. I don't know if he sent to Chaz. It's a Zenny 227. My first and only. Oh, look at that. Quite the click on that. Show you the keyway. Not something I've seen before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'll leave that there. Gotta get a key ring on it. And I think this might be Yale. Yale rim cylinder. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Just talk too much, or it took me too long to unpack today. So there's a beautiful Yale rim cylinder with a bulletproof key. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 maybe? Yeah, it's 5. It's got a short cap on the top. So that's it, guys. That's the goodies from Jolly Green Old Ireland. Peter Lewis and his channel, the Irish Lockpicker. Get over there, give him some support. Funny guy. He's jumping right into the picking game, and he's doing better than any newbie can expect. He's just jumping right in, tackling the locks, and sorting through packages. Thanks again, Peter. Hang tight. Got something coming your way in the next week or two. I'll contact you and have something nice coming out your way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. Hit the like button, subscribe, and get over and support the Irish Lockpicker, guys. Thanks. Appreciate your support. See you at the next one.